We all need a certain amount of good cholesterol to function our physical activities. But high levels of bad cholesterol would definitely cause some sorts of trouble. Yes, it increases the risk of heart disease and stroke. Sometimes it is obvious that diet plans fail to provide significant results to lower bad cholesterol level. But it doesn't mean that diet won't work. It works, but you need other plans which will give you extra relief and hope. Here is this video. I'm showing some amazing methods that will reduce cholesterol level and eventually help reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea is the first and foremost drink to lower the risk of bad cholesterol rise. The highest level of antioxidants in green tea play the key role. According to the University of Maryland Medical Center, green tea can lower LDL cholesterol and total cholesterol levels. Apart from that, it also boosts levels of HDL cholesterol, which kicks out bad cholesterol from your arteries. Number 2. Tart cherry juice. Tart cherries are also loaded with antioxidants like green tea. Antioxidants provide several benefits, which include reducing cholesterol levels. In a recent study conducted at the University of Michigan Cardiovascular Center, it is found that rats that received whole tart cherry powder as part of a high-fat diet had lower levels of cholesterol than other rats. However, you can make your own at home using dried cherries or cherry powder. You can also get cherry juice readily available at supermarkets and natural health stores. Number 3. Ginger tea. Ginger has always been used to treat nausea and diarrhea. Some of the studies have also demonstrated that ginger with tea help reduce high cholesterol level. But there should have been a limit in taking ginger. According to the University of Maryland Medical Center, which recommends not consuming more than 4 grams of ginger daily. Number 4. Berry juice. Studies show that berries help reduce blood cholesterol levels, but some are more effective than others. In a study conducted by the University of California at Davis, researchers found that fresh berries significantly decrease LDL cholesterol. Among the various types, blackberries were the most effective, followed by red raspberries, blueberries, and strawberries. Number 5. Yogurt. Yogurt is another possible option to consume to lower the LDL or bad cholesterol level. According to a research, yogurt can lower the LDL cholesterol level to 11% after 9 weeks of consumption. It is suggested to drink yogurt with probiotic content about 200 milligrams a day. The presence of lactobacillus bacteria can impact the cholesterol level by breaking the bile salt molecules. One of the common lactobacillus bacteria help lower the cholesterol level. So you must try these drinks or tea on a daily basis, and of course start with 1 drink at a time. Rotate things based on your choice. Don't worry about when to drink, you can drink it anytime, anywhere. If you have other health conditions, please consult with your nearest doctor before taking these natural remedies. It is your responsibility to keep yourself fit as a fiddle, so you can keep loving and caring for your loved ones as long as possible.